Hello, poker warriors. I feel your pain. HRC is a powerful tool, that's why you are using it. But let's be real, there is something missing. It's like trying to read a map in the dark. Hard to read, even harder to learn from it. I know you've been grinding hard, accumulating simulations on your hard drive, or maybe you are a poker coach, aiming to give your students maximum value. If only there was a better solution. Either way, I've got some exciting news that will improve your study game. Now, you can upload your own simulations into our lightning-fast, easy-to-use interface. So what does it mean for you? Way more efficient learning, way better data retention, clear visualization of complex ranges. But wait, there's more. This add-on is absolutely free in all our plans. And what's more, you can share your strategies with anyone, even if they don't have a paid plan. Okay, so let me show how to do it. We go to HRC, we have some random sim, we click Hand, Export Strategies, Complete Export, depth doesn't matter, Pretty JSON on, Threshold 1, I use 1, you can use whatever, Save. And then we go to Poker Academy. There is a new button, My Sims, on the dashboard. You click Upload Sim. You choose a file that you recently saved. You can update, change the name. You click Upload. Wait a couple seconds because, it's preflop. These sims are usually big or huge. And here you go. Simulation is uploaded. Let's open it. So here you go. All the info in our beautiful layout with all the details like payout, structure, bubble factor. There is also another way to find your sim. If you go to tournaments, go down here, private library, my simulations. That was 8 max if I remember properly. And here you go, the same sim is here. All right, let's go back there. Next option is share. So you can share your sim with anybody. They only need account on our website. It can be free account. So you just type an email within Poker Academy and you're gonna share this sim with that person or many people. You can unshare, of course. You can also delete your sim. And here, shared with me simulations, you can see sims that have been shared with you. Pretty easy, isn't it? And what's more, you can go to your sim, and of course, you can solve that sim, use the ranges from that sim, and solve postflop with these ranges. All right. So imagine having all your HRC simulations organized beautifully, easy to read and understand, accessible anytime, anywhere, while also maintaining your privacy. So nobody can see your strategies unless you share it. So whether you are reviewing hands on the go, preparing for a big tournament, or collaborating with your study group, this update should take your game to the next level. Of course, at the end of the day, you have to do the hard work. I hope you're gonna enjoy this update as much as I do. Thanks for watching and good luck at the tables.